Apologies for the delayed video as I've been away for personal matters, but let's dive into the latest financial news. Shrikani Fabcom IPO. The issue was subscribed over 14.93 times on day 1, reflecting strong investor interest. Wall Street's optimism. Wall Street's main indices opened higher on Wednesday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell hinted at a potential reduction in the benchmark interest rate later this year. Moody's positive outlook. Moody's affirms Bar 3 rating on Tata Motors with a positive outlook post the demerger move. Patent regulatory actions. RBI Governor Shaktikant Das assures that 80-85% of Paytm wallet users won't face disruptions due to regulatory actions, advising the rest to link their apps to other banks. Sumitomo's stake sale. Japanese promoter Sumitomo sells a 4.4% stake in Samvardhana in Rs 3,630 crore bulk deal. Foreign investors' interest. Overseas investors remained net buyers of Indian equities on Wednesday, with foreign portfolio investors buying stocks worth Rs 2,766.7 crore. Domestic institutional investors continued their buying spree for the fourth day, acquiring equities worth Rs 2,149.9 crore. Egypt hikes interest rates by 600 basis points, leading to a record low for the pound. Vedanta's legal moves. Vedanta Limited explores legal solutions, including a review petition, after the top court's decision rejecting its plea to restart operations at its Thoothukudi copper smelter. Gold's rally. Gold stands tall near previous session's record highs on Wednesday ahead of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's testimony, with markets anticipating clues on a potential June rate cut. Stay tuned for more updates on the financial world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest news. SBI Life Insurance Company Limited is set to consider and declare the payment of an interim dividend on the 10th of March. The record date for this dividend is the 16th of March 2024. REC Limited will be considering the proposal of declaring its third interim dividend on 16/03. Data Infrastructure Trust has declared a total distribution of 0.4361 rupees per unit, with the payment due on or before the 19th of March. The record date for this distribution is the 14th of March. Kalma Holdings Limited is set to consider the proposal of its second interim dividend on 11/03, with a record date of the 19th of March. Kirloskar Ferris Industries Limited will be considering interim dividends on 07/03, with a record date of the 16th of March. ISMT Limited will likewise consider interim dividends on 07/03, with a record date of the 16th of March. Agi Infra Limited is set to consider the declaration of an interim dividend on the 11th of March, with a record date of the 20th of March. Wonder Electricals Limited has declared an interim dividend of 1 rupees per share, with a record date of the 14th of March. Bharat Dynamics Limited has rescheduled its payment of interim dividend and stock split to the 21st of March, with a record date of the 2nd of April. Waaree Renewable Technologies Limited has fixed a record date for its stock split from 10 rupees to 5 rupees, set for the 16th of March. Bajrata Chemicals and Industries Limited has approved a stock split from 10 rupees to 1 rupees in the ratio of 1:10. The record date will be intimated later. Kesar India Limited is issuing bonus shares in the proportion of 6 for every 1 held, with a record date of the 19th of March. MK Proteins Limited has set a record date for the issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 2:1, with 2 shares for every 1 held. Bajaj Auto Limited has sent a buyback letter of offer to shareholders, with the buyback period from the 6th to the 13th of March. The ratio of buyback is 7 for every 27 held by small shareholders and 1 for every 82 held by the general category on the record date. Poly Medicure Limited will be considering the proposal of raising funds on the 8th of March. Mistan Foods Limited will be issuing equity shares on a rights basis and considering various terms on the rights issue on the 7th of March. Aurum Proptech Limited has approved its first call of 30 rupees payable from the 29th of March to the 12th of April, with a record date of the 20th of March. Adroit Infotech Limited has received trading partly paid up share approval from NSE regarding its rights issue. Valencia Nutrition Limited has received in principle approval from BSE regarding its proposed rights issue. Iranjayoti Bioventures Limited is issuing equity shares through a rights issue for not exceeding 3,313 lakhs. With a record date of the 12th of March. Tierra Agrotech Limited has approved a rights issue for 4,990 lakhs and will consider various matters on the rights issue on the 6th of March. Lastly, Tata Motors Limited and Tata Motors Limited DVR have approved a scheme of arrangement for demerger into 2 separate listed companies through commercial vehicle business and passenger vehicle business. It's estimated to take around 12-15 months further to NCLT approval. Stay tuned for more updates on the financial world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest news. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update, share and comment your thoughts on the comment section, and stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.